your glory. And may the words that I speak, let them honor your name. And the thoughts that I think, let them be pleasing unto you. May my life be a praise. Be a praise unto you, Lord. Oh, a lifestyle of worship to fulfill your holy purpose, to be pleasing and acceptable in your sight. Nothing else can compare. Your prayer tonight. Come on, lift your hands. May the words that I speak, let them honor your name. And may the thoughts that I think, be pleasing unto you, Lord. May my life be a praise. Be a praise unto you, Lord. Romans 12:1-2 says, I beseech you therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that you present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. And be not conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. How many of you tonight are going to make a new dedication? A new dedication that your life be a praise unto God, a sweet smelling savor. Hallelujah. Come on, let's sing it. Oh, a lifestyle of worship to fulfill your holy purpose, to be pleasing and acceptable in your sight. Lord, nothing else can compare to living in your perfect will. So let my life be a praise unto you, Lord. Oh, a lifestyle of worship to fulfill your holy purpose, and to be pleasing and acceptable. Yes, Lord. Acceptable in your sight. Nothing else can compare to living in your perfect will. My life be a praise unto you, Lord. Here's my life. Here's my life as a praise unto you, Lord. Come on, lift your hands and sing. Take my life as a praise unto you, Lord. Come on, give it to him. Here's my life as a praise unto you, Lord. May my life be a praise unto you, Lord. Come on, if there's a segment of your heart, put those hands together and bless him, bless him, bless him. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.